guys, it's me Ali and welcome back to another video. So for today guys, I have here my bag. Ayan, my school bag, and I will show you kung ano yung laman nito. Ayan. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo isa-isa. But before that, let me introduce myself first. Again, I am Eliza Joy J. Freyas, or you can call me Ali. I am 20 years old and currently studying in Koryasu College, Bachelor in Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Food Service Management. And yep, that's it for a short introduction. So now let's proceed to bag grade sa sariling. Ayan. So first off, I have here my wallet. Ayan, my coin purse to be exact. Ayan, ito yung coin purse ko. Then second one is my card holder. Ayan. Then I also have my lip everyday tint. My everyday tint. Ayan. Then I also have here my floss. Lagi kong ginagamit. Ito. Lagi kong ginagamit. Then, I have also here my comb. My assessment form. Ayan, gamit. Nabasa lang siya ng ulan. My powder. Face powder. And I also have here my pen. My spray bottle. Ayan. Alcohol na po laman nito. Then, I also have my school ID, my college ID, and my senior high. Ayan. I also have here my yellow pad. Always kong ginagamit and pinaka-importante sa college. And, lagi kong suot-suot kapag eto, bracelet, personalized bracelet ko na binili sa Shopee, and napanalunan ko sa isang raffle game ng engineering department. Ayan. Then I also have my phone, which is currently lowbat ngayon. So that's it for my own bag grade. And before I end this vlog, there is one question lang na binigay sa akin ng teacher ko, and that question is, if I had to instill one piece of advice to my younger self, what advice would I give and why? So, one piece of advice lang for my younger self is maging totoo sa sarili and mahalin ang sarili. Kasi walang ibang magmamahal maliban sa pamilya at sa kaibigan. Walang ibang magmamahal sa sarili mo kundi ikaw lang. And sana lagi mo yan tandaan from your future self. Yun lang, and stay safe and love lots. Bye!